So let's talk about the ingredients. To start, you need a half kilogram of couscous grains, medium ones. You also need 2 onions, 1 kilogram of meat, 1 cabbage, 1 head of celery branch, 300 grams of green pumpkin, 1 potato, 2 or 3 carrots, 2 or 3 zucchinis, 2 tomatoes, 2 or 3 parsnips, 100 grams of chickpea that we already put and left in water for 12 hours to make it soft, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, a half tablespoon of pepper, a half tablespoon of cinnamon to prepare the raisin and onion sauce that we'll see later. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of ginger. You'll need water, olive oil or vegetable oil, and finally sugar that will also be used in the raisin and onion sauce.